ALLDOCUBE announced its new tablet consider a smartphone. Now, company launched its ALLDOCUBE M8 tablet. Let's take a look toward this smartphone. ALLDOCUBE M8 comes with an 8-inch IPS LCD display. With the resolution of 1920 x 1200 pixel of 1610 aspect ratio, which is not a bezel-less display. In past, most of the tablet manufacturer use Intel processor over a Mediatek processor, but this time looking like there is not any difference in it because that time there was an issue with Mediatek that it'd heat a lot as compared to other processor. ALLDOCUBE M8 is powered by the Deca Mediatek X21 SoC, which clocked at 2.0 GZ and paired with Mali T880 MP4 875 MHz. A chipset is coupled with a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage. Storage can be further expanded, support up to 128 GB storage.